Hello everyone, and welcome to the Problem Solving Penguarium, where we learn how to solve problems better. Now in episode 1 today we're going to first establish the strategies and the structures that we use to solve problems, and which we will be using consistently to solve problems throughout all our episodes. Now the structure I'm going to introduce you to is what I call Chucky, which was introduced to me by another teacher friend of mine, and it's a very effective way of making sure that we cover all the right steps every time we do it. So Chucky is just the buzzword for the different strategies in behind, or the different steps in behind, and the first one being clarify. So the first thing we have to do is clarify what the question is asking. And in saying that, sometimes we have to translate from words, from English into maths, to get the number form, the number sentences that we want, to be able to look at it and go, okay, well, this is what I need to do. Now, choose is related to the strategies we wish to use. For instance, guess and check, drawing a diagram, writing backwards or working backwards. Okay, and that's what we'll get into in the later episodes. Okay, use is where we use that strategy to solve the problem in using our mathematics or whatever we need. Check is a very important step where we need to check our work. How many times have you made a silly mistake in an exam or in a question and it's been circled and you've got part marks and you've changed a plus to a multiply or something to that effect? And last but not least, conclude. Okay, so if we're asked a question in English in written word form, we need to have our final answer in written word form. So essentially these are the steps that we'll be using week in, week out with every single episode, so we can really understand what we're doing and not miss anything every time. So in episode 2 we'll get started with the question.